Now, NHS chiefs have warned that people must think really carefully about mixing with other households over Christmas, warning that any extra social contact risks spreading coronavirus, especially to vulnerable people like elderly relatives. In the latest UK figures, there have been another 18,447 coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours. A further 144 deaths have been reported, taking the total to 64,170. Our Home Affairs correspondent Darshna Soni is at a coronavirus testing centre in Nottinghamshire. Darshna.
Well, they've been pretty quiet here at this regional testing centre, Fatima, perhaps partly due to the weather. We have seen a couple of people coming in wanting to get tested before the Christmas holidays. There are now some 10 shopping days left to go. But although the rules have been relaxed for that 5-day period from the 23rd of December, there have been warnings today from some NHS bosses and scientists who have said that, without wishing to sound like the Grinch who stole Christmas, that we all need to think carefully about whether we should be socialising over that period, given the rising infection rates. And comparisons have been made with America, where after the Thanksgiving holidays, there was a surge in cases in some areas. We spoke to one member today of the independent SAGE group, and this is what she told our programme.
The risks with the Christmas period is that if households come together, we will see infection rates rise, and we're at a time now when infection is still at a high level in many parts of the country. That will have a direct impact on more people going into hospital, more preventable deaths, and also it may affect the ability of the health service to do other things, including, importantly, roll out the vaccination programme.
But given the difficult year that so many have had, the government's aware it doesn't want to be known as a government that cancelled Christmas. The Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab was doing the Sunday programmes today, and he made the point that on a mental health level and an emotional level, people need something to look forward to, and they've indicated they won't be reviewing that 5-day period. We spoke to people out and about in Nottingham today, and on the River Trent, we came across Mrs. Santa, as you do. This is what she had to say about it.
I think people are going to be more cautious. They don't want their families to get hurt at Christmas, but it does mean that people get out a lot more. So we can do things like this to make people feel happy and enjoy themselves and, you know, go for a walk, see Santa.
Well, the tier system, and Nottingham, like so many places, is still in Tier 3, is due to be reviewed this Wednesday.
Darshna Soni in Nottinghamshire, thank you so much.